summer afternoon. Such was the life of the elder rich at Lake Tahoe in days long gone. Sadly, weather, neglect, and vandalism have left only the stone walls of Mrs. Knight's schoolhouse standing.
Kaya kung kaya ikaw nulong baka ikaw sir.
Oo, kamalangan doon. Ay, ang pinipeta. Pero talaga lang.
Ay, ito yung po sa akin. Pag ako naman ito, nanalo sa akin yun.
Sige, magbibigyan ko ng